In this video, I'll show you how to add photos in Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, you need to be logged into your Facebook account. Yeah, this is our Facebook account. I'm going to add a photo right now. So what I need to do, I'll click on this photo. I'll click on this add photo stroke videos. You would select any photo of your choice. So I'll select this. I'll click on open. I'll click on post. So I just added this photo right here on my Facebook timeline. So this is how you can add a photo on your Facebook. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. If you got any questions you want to ask me, do well to share your thoughts as well below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.